Hello and good morning, everybody. Dr. Bob here. Welcome to week 6. So, this week, our topic for this week is on deviance. And as you'll come to see when we talk about deviance, we're simply talking about any kind of deviation, if you will, from the norm. Remember that term, norms? Socially acceptable expectations of behavior, if you will. Somebody puts their hand out to shake your hand, you assume that you're going to shake their hand, right? You're not going to put your foot up there or do anything too crazy, right? And that's what deviance is about. It's a spectrum, if you will. The most minor forms of deviance, perhaps, I don't know, taking a pencil from work or something, to the most extreme forms of deviance, rape, murder, assaulting children, that kind of thing. So that's what we're going to be looking at this week. That'll be the topic for discussion. Now, also this week, the big news is that you have your midterm exam. And I hope you won't freak out or panic over it. It's nothing to panic about. The midterm exam, the most important thing you can do is to read your choice of questions. I think there's 4 possible questions you can answer. There are 3 or 4. Pick the one that you feel most comfortable with. Now remember, your best source of information is always in the learning materials, whether it's the textbook, the lecture summaries, the PowerPoint presentations. Those will answer most of your questions for the midterm. You just need to do a little research there. Read the question that you choose. Read it carefully. Make sure you understand the points that you need to cover. Look at the rubric. Look at the assignment guidelines. And I think you're going to be just fine. Now, as far as completing the exam, do it as you normally would through that assignment tab. Please do not email it to me. And the reason I say that is because when I go to grade it, I put it into the grading rubric, and that's how I grade it. When you email it to me, it makes it much more difficult, and the chances are that you'll actually get a lower grade because I don't have access to that grading rubric. So make sure you're submitting it through the assignment tab. You have the entire week to work on it. It is not due until Sunday at 11:59, like all your assignments, but make sure you get it in before then. And that's about it. That's about all I have for you this week. I hope you're all doing well. It looks like you're all doing very well in the course. I don't see any major problems out there. If you have any questions, comments, again, I'm always available. You can shoot me an email, and I'll be glad to answer your questions or concerns. So have a great week, and talk to you soon.